Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is US Army improves counter-drone data sharing and interoperability during multinational Project Flytop 4.5 tests. During Project Flytop 4.5, US Army soldiers tested emerging counter-unmanned aerial system technology while addressing how sensor data can be moved quickly, reliably and securely across multinational networks. The recurring exercise in Europe focuses on countering Group 1 to 3 unmanned aerial systems in a coalition environment under realistic operational conditions. Conducted by V-Corps with US and partner nation forces, Project Flytop aims to identify capability gaps, assess new technologies and refine tactics for multinational operations. Recent iterations in Germany and Poland also support the Eastern Flank Deterrence Line concept by bringing allied forces together to evaluate systems under operational stress. Army teams worked with V-Corps to assess how the integrated sensor architecture could address data sharing and interoperability challenges identified in earlier Flytop events. Developed by Capability Program Executive, Intelligence, Electronic Warfare and Sensors, the framework connects sensors and networks using standardized, open architecture data formats. The goal is a plug-and-play environment where partner nations can bring in their sensors and contribute to a common operating picture, said Russell Nadler, a technical program integrator with CPE IEW&S Integration Directorate. ISA can be the enabler that helps pass sensor data seamlessly between Allied and US systems. Previous Flytop iterations highlighted limitations in existing networks when integrating multiple sensors and processing large volumes of data in real time. For us, Flytop really highlighted the importance of having an architecture that could scale and adapt as systems were added, said Major O'Neill Rooms, Project Flytop Network Integration Lead for V-Corps. Rooms noted that by the 4.5 iteration, the architecture had matured sufficiently to support integration rather than hinder it. By the time we got to 4.5, ISA intelligence support activity had matured to a point where it could actually enable that integration instead of becoming another barrier, he said. Using open data standards, ISA intelligence support activity allowed radar, optical, infrared and acoustic sensor data from different sources to flow into a shared environment without custom interfaces. ISA intelligence support activity wasn't just part of the network, it was also part of how we validated vendors, Rooms said. It helped us determine early on whether systems could actually connect and deliver what they claimed, which saved time and reduced risk once we went live, he added. He also highlighted the value of on-site support, saying, the people mattered just as much as the technology. As adversary drone tactics continue to evolve, the Army sees exercises such as Flytop as essential for testing capabilities under real-world conditions. Following Flytop 4.5, V-Corps and CPE IEW&S plan to continue refining how ISA intelligence support activity supports interoperable counter-UAS unmanned aircraft system and sensing operations across Europe. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @ Electronics Technology 50.